Here is my awesome friend, Grace, from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. She's a great channel, great content, and she's a style channel. She does Tablescapes on Tuesday and every Tuesday. Anyone can join in. You can join in once in a while, or you can join in every week. I am one of the once in a while joining in. You never know when I'm going to pop in. But they're an awesome group, and they have a great lot of creators that join in on this Tablescape Tuesday. Please think about joining in with them, and please go over and give love and support. Also, these creators put a lot of time and work into putting their videos together. Try to watch them from the beginning to the end and give love and support back for all the love and support they give back to you, and also they put a lot of time and work into these tablescapes. Please give them the time also. Also, go and check out all of Grace's other content videos she puts up. She does lots of great different things on her channel, not just tablescapes. You will love her channel. And here's my other awesome friend, Amethyst Adventures. Oh my, she is so great. I just love her so much. She is so awesome. You've got to go check out her channel. And she is always putting up something beautiful, and she is a great friend. Please go check out her channel, and you're not going to be sorry you did. Here's just a few of the things she's done on her channel lately. She always has something wonderful to share with us. You're never going to get bored. She puts a lot of different content up. A lot of work goes into her channel. Give her some love and give her some support. She does wonderful Easter tablescapes, if you can see how beautiful this tablescape was for Easter. And Alice in Wonderland theme. Didn't she do a great job on this too? Doing some great DIYs, easy peasy, and turned out fabulous. Oh my, just beautiful. And she has beautiful Easter decor, home decor. She just does tours. Everything about her channel is fabulous. Go check her out. And don't forget, give her a full watch. Full watches are important, you know. Give it to her.
Alice, are you okay? You don't look okay. Oh, I don't know. I'm so woozy from that car ride. I've never been on a car before, and I've never been on the freeway before. It was overwhelming for me. I know. I've never been in a car either, and I've never been on the freeway either. I got a little woozy too. Are you going to be okay? I mysteriously feel fine now. I don't know what happened. I just all of a sudden felt great. Well, let's let everyone know what we're doing today. We're joining in with Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures for a Tablescape Tuesday. And what are we going to be doing, Rabbit? We're going to be doing Alice in Wonderland Tablescape today. We're so excited to be the stars of this video. Yes, we are, aren't we? We haven't been in a video in a long time. Or at least the tablescape in a long time. You're so right. Grandma's been really lazy lately. Come on now. Grandma's getting old. Be respectful. Grandma's doing a tablescape today. Let's see if we can encourage her sweetly to do a few more in the future. Well, you're right. I should be a little kinder to Grandma. She's been pretty busy lately. Yes, and we are so excited that we are going to be the center of this video. We are going to be in a Tablescape Tuesday video today, and it's an Alice in Wonderland themed tablescape. Doesn't that sound exciting to you? Yes, it always feels exciting to be the star of any of Grandma's videos. You know that. We love being the stars. Come on, stop being with an attitude. And look, the bunnies came to join us. Look at those cute little faces. Don't they look cute? Well, we went over to Grandma's best friend's house for this tablescape. A tablescape for two with an Alice in Wonderland theme. Oh, didn't it turn out beautiful? Grandma says she loves coming over here every year when this beautiful tree blooms out. And look, her best friend even cut off a few of the flowers for this display. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it? Isn't it? Look at all the beautiful things Grandma put together. And you know, Grandma only does tablescapes for two. Simple, beautiful little tablescapes. Always enjoy watching what she does. I think I'm going to sit back and be quiet and let you all out there in YouTube land enjoy Grandma's tablescapes for two. You know Grandma loves doing them, and she always likes to put a few fresh flowers in everything she does. Oh, and of course, Grandma always likes a little bit of whimsy in everything she does.